They destroyed the best AI tool we had for generating images and videos completely free and without limits. Luckily, I found a way to fix it. If we follow every step we're going to cover today, you won't need to keep searching for new AIs to create content anymore. This new setup does everything: text, research, images, horizontal videos, and vertical videos, with no credits and no subscriptions. I also found a completely legal way to download the videos without a watermark. But like I said, we need to follow a very specific process for everything to work properly. Better tools could appear tomorrow, so if you don't want to miss them, subscribe and leave a like. Before, when we wanted to create videos, we had to open Meta AI. But if we look now, there is no section for generating videos anymore. We have this section where we can see community creations, but they're all vertical, and the Create section, where we used to make videos, is gone. In New Chat, we only get a section for generating images. Meta has released a new model for this, and if we add prompts, it gives pretty good results. But these are not the videos we're looking for. Luckily, there is a solution. To generate videos with Meta, this is what we need to do. First, we're going to take advantage of the fact that Meta still gives us a very powerful text model, and we'll ask it to give us the prompts Meta's video model will understand best. You can add your own prompts and ask it to modify them until they're ready. Once we have them, we're going to open Vibes.ai, Meta AI's new tool for creating free videos. Many people think we can only create vertical content here, but I found a hidden function for generating horizontal videos without a watermark. I'll leave all the links for the tools I'm using today on my website in the description, along with free text and image AI tools you can use. I'll show you exactly where to find everything at the end of the video. First, click New. This takes us to the interface where we can create videos. All we have to do is add the prompts we created earlier. And in the settings, I recommend choosing this resolution so the videos come out sharper. We'll look at the rest of the options in a moment, but if we send our prompts now, you'll see that the results are very good and the quality is strong. The problem is that they're not horizontal, and I know that doesn't work for many of you because you want to create videos for YouTube or other platforms. So here's what we're going to do. Go back to Meta AI and open a new chat. Ask it to create an image, but this part is very important. Add 16:9 at the end of the prompt. If we send it like that, a few seconds later, Meta generates a horizontal image. If we don't write anything, or if we write 9:16 instead, it will give us a vertical image. This horizontal image is what we're going to use to create a video in the same format. Before downloading it, take advantage of the tools Meta gives us. For example, this option lets us select one specific part of the image and ask Meta to modify it without changing the rest. Once the image is ready, download it by clicking the button in the top right, then go back to Vibes.ai. And here's the reason we created the image in Meta AI first. Inside Vibes.ai, we can't generate horizontal images. Even if we ask for them, it always creates them vertically. On top of that, the images here come with a watermark, while the ones from Meta AI don't have one at any point, not even when we download them. Now go to Generate Video, and in this Start Frame option, add the horizontal image we just created. Even if the preview looks vertical at first, click the button to create the video. Now you'll see that it has been placed correctly. Add a prompt, send it, and this is the result. The generator is very good, and because it's unlimited, we can generate as many times as we want. One of the options I liked most is that once the video is created, we can click Auto Extend. What this does is take the last image shown at the end of the video and animate it naturally, making the video longer each time. So we can create clips of 15, 20, or even 30 seconds by pressing just a few buttons. But there is another problem. If we download the videos normally, they come with this problem that gets very annoying. Luckily, there's a way to remove it inside this same platform. But before that, I want to show you another tool, because I know many of you want to generate videos at the highest possible quality. So let me show you an AI that can create videos like this. I created this video inside Higgsfield. On this platform, you get some of the best AI models on the planet in one place, without having to pay for several different subscriptions. Whether you want video, images, code, audio, or other tools, everything is here, and they keep releasing new features every week. Recently, they added 2 models that work perfectly together for the kind of workflow we've been using throughout the video, and they can create results like the one you just saw. In the image section, we can use the new Seedream 5.0 model. As we add prompts, the images generate in batches, and the quality of this model is honestly insane. We can generate without watermarks, and we can use any of the tools the platform gives us to edit the images once they're generated. When they're ready, click Turn to Video. This takes us to the video section, where we get a very complete list of models and can choose whichever one we want. In this case, we're going to use what I think is the best one, Seedance 2.0, because it's the only one here that lets us create videos in 4K. So we add the prompt, configure everything we need, and once we generate it, the result has camera changes, scene changes, and the kind of quality we were looking for. After looking into it, Higgsfield is the most accessible place I found to use Seedance 2.0. If you want to try it yourself, I'll leave the link in the description and in the pinned comment. Thanks to Higgsfield for sponsoring this video. Going back to Vibes.ai, if we want to solve this problem I mentioned earlier, it's very simple. Go to any of the videos we created, but don't open it. Stay on the video preview instead of opening it. Right-click, then click this button here. When this menu appears, click this button at the top. Now move the mouse over the video you want to download. Click it, and on the right side, this area will be highlighted. Double-click it and copy it. Now open a new tab and paste what you just copied. The clean video opens there, and from that tab, we can download it. This solves the problem we saw earlier with just a few clicks. After testing the tool a bit more, I found some really interesting features I want you to know about. First, inside the project we created, we can add ingredients. What does that mean? For example, if we choose character, we can upload our protagonist or choose one from the library. As you can see, the catalog is huge, and every time we select that character and generate images or videos, the same protagonist will keep appearing. Remember, we can also create one in the image section if we don't like any of the ones in the previous menu. As ingredients, we can also upload a scene reference. So if we want not only the character, but also the setup or the style to stay consistent, the platform can keep that consistent too. And when we have all our videos, we can go to Timeline. In that section, we can start adding them and edit the full video ourselves, including subtitles or extra audio. Also, depending on your region, if the platform is overloaded, you may hit a limit while generating videos. But I've done a lot of tests, generated a good amount of content, and I've never had any kind of problem or limit. It never blocked me. To get the prompts, the direct links, and access to the free AI tools, go to my website in the description. Open PDF guides, and you'll find the guides for the videos I have published so far. You can download them and access the information from each video, so you can copy the prompts and links without wasting time writing everything manually. You'll also find the free AI chat there. You can ask questions without paying, so it is useful if you want a free chat option for prompts, questions, or quick tests. We also added a model that generates very high-quality images. You only need to sign in and start using it. See you in the next one, and thanks for watching.